Hello Scorpio, how are you? This is your love reading for July 2020. Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. Now I've already shuffled these cards and we'll find out what the cards have to say regarding your love situation in July. So let me just pick 5 cards. 4 of Rods, 8 of Cups, the High Priestess, the Empress, 9 of Swords, Ace of Pentacles. So we have these cards. Later on we'll just pull out from the bottom of a deck one more card. So what I feel is 4 of Rods. It talks about some of you Scorpios, wanting to get married, or to having a family or a celebration. It is like getting the bond. You can see the 4 pillars with this. It talks about an engagement or marriage, taking the relationship to the next level. It's a beautiful card. Also, with the 8 of Cups, that is one story. With 8 of Cups, it shows that some of you, there is a fallout in the marriage or the partnership, maybe with your live-in partner or your love situation, and you are walking away from this. So 8 of Cups is like, you had plans to get married and start a family, and or maybe you wanted to take your relationship, but with 8 of Cups together, it shows that you are walking away from that has fallen apart for some of you. Mercury retrograde. Be careful, guys. Do not take any haste or impulsive decision regarding a relationship. Only take a decision once Mercury goes forward from 13th July onwards. So the 8 of Cups. Also with there is another story. Maybe there is a fallout. 8 of Cups is basically, the relationship has ended and one person has walked away from this situation, from this love situation. Now the Empress card. So Empress is a beautiful energy. Maybe, this is for some of you who feel, who are presently feeling like this Empress energy, bountiful, beautiful, prosperous, abundant. So for some of you, it's a beautiful situation wherein you are in love and you are feeling this way. Overall happiness, overall abundance, overall soaked in love. So this is a beautiful energy. It is like the most beautiful feeling one can have with this Empress energy. 9 of Swords. I feel this is the card for, you have walked out, some of you have walked out from that toxic relationship, or with that fallout, but still you are in this 9 of Swords of energy, restless energy, not able to sleep at night, still not able to deal with the situation. Whenever there's a heartbreak, this situation happens to most of us. You do not know what to do. You are confused. You don't know how long this is going to go. So for the it's a sad situation for people whose marriage or a relationship or love situation has fallen apart. With the 9 of Swords energy, it's very restless for few of you. Then we have the Ace of Pentacles. Now this is like, you can have for some of you, who has gone through this heartache, and you've started focusing on certain new ideas, maybe which is not related to money. You are more into like a scholar kind of energy. Now you're reading books, you're trying to gain knowledge about different aspects other than love. So this is one thing which I get for some of you. Also Page of Pentacles could your partner might be feeling that you are detached and cold, and you are not focused on them, the attention that they're looking for, because you have soaked yourself in something else, or rather than them. And this Page of Pentacles is like you are more focused in your career, or being, or you're working towards earning, gaining knowledge towards working for a financial situation. So they feel left out and they feel detached. So this is what I can see from this card. For some of you, you might also have a realization, like that you want to know where you stand in your person's life. For that, you need to talk, and you need to assess the situation, like what is like, where do you stand in his or her life. So you have these questions going on into your mind, because some of you are still feeling stuck in the relationship, in the love situation. So let me pick out one more card from the bottom and just see. Page of Cups. Wow, beautiful. So for some of you, there is new love coming, or a new love message coming. So it's a beautiful love energy. And basically I feel for singles, this is a good time to just go online and try meeting up or virtually, or meeting up. I mean, it depends on what situation you are. If you could meet up, because with lot of restrictions due to COVID, or some of you, I feel, are just connecting through Facebook or WhatsApp or an online dating site. So anyways, it's a new love situation coming to you, or a new love message coming to you, and it's a beautiful energy, very new energy, and very young and vibrant and passionate energy coming for some of you, Scorpio. So this is it. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in August 2020 readings.